let's say you're living in 1600 BCE and you get assigned a task of figuring out what the side length of a square field is, right? And let's say you come up with that value is square root 2. And now you have the next task of figuring out what that value actually means, right? So the Babylonians had this way or this formula to figure this out is just xn equals xn minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over xn minus 1, right? Where xn minus 1 is just your first guess, right? Just your first guess. All right, so let's say my first guess was 2. I'd plug into this formula and get 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which equals 3 over 2. All right, and if you know or check by the calculator, this value isn't really that close to what the square root of 2 actually is. This just equals 1.5. So what they came up with was that you take this next value and you just plug it into your formula again. So we have 1.5 over 2 plus 1 over 1.5, which equals about 1.4167, right? Still not that close, so we do it again. And get 1.4142, which is pretty close to the actual value of square root 2, right? And now you're probably wondering is, how did they know when to stop? Honestly, I don't know. I don't think we really know that much. Maybe they had a sense of what was good enough, or just had some type of like practical like notion when to stop, because you can't just do this forever, right? This drive you crazy. And they didn't really need a exact value. They just needed a method that worked, and this was that method.